bakuru b'amashomero kushabwa ngo begesa abana Koran bigambirwa nyumwebazyo omumpaka zo kushoma Koran ezibire zitebenkanisi bw'ishomero rya Kabuye Secondary School eriri kushangwa muri Shema Municipality aho amashomero 20 ga primary okurwo mu rurenje bw'izoba getabiremu
wa innal fujjara lafi jahim yaslawnaha yawmaddin.
Njagala kubasibirira entanda nti wadde tusoma alhamdulillah netwetekemu okutya Allah ekyo kyekisooka mu byonna. Bw'osoma Quran naye nodda ku music Quran eyo ejja kudduka mu mutwe gwegende.
Kakati mbasaba tetukoma ku kusoma busomi Quran wabula tusome n'ebigikwatako kubanga ebigikwatako bikulu nnyo.
Abeji bagambirwa kurekeraho kuba batitizi ngo abwo kubenseji tekwenda abo kwetina.
Make sure that you participate and you excel. The needs of the time at the moment does not require mediocres. It requires those that can succeed and excel. Strive at excellence. Strive so much in whatever field that you are going to be pursuing. Strive for excellence.
It encourages, most especially these primaries, they come to a way to be aware that really they need to start teaching Quran early. How I wish they even teach it to the level of IPLE, so that as Kabuye says, I concentrate on Idada and Thanawi.
Mukuru wa Kabuye Secondary School tugambireho nawe.
But if you get these children like these ones we have seen here, it means within 1 year, senior 1, they can sit for IPLE, then they start on Idad. By end of senior 3, they sit for Idad.
Ishomero rya Kabuye Secondary School ryatandikire kushomesa IPLE aho abeji 5 barukuza kushitama hamwe na Idada. Ishomero rya madarasa titakuwa eriri kushangwa Kakoba Mbarara nirwo rusingire mpakezi ritiyoreka kuri turwo rya Emirates School Mbarara kandi bona betabiro mu mpakezi bahirwe za certificate gasha kwa mayiko atwakire.